Authentication in BGP is pretty straightforward. It allows two systems to exchange hashes. If the hashes match, the hash configured locally, the router is considered to be trusted, and that is basically increasing the security of our system. So how do we configure authentication in BGP? It's pretty straightforward. One command is required. So if I do, let's say, authentication between Internet 1 and R1, all I have to do is just enter the BGP configuration. Let's display the neighbor commands, section router BGP. So for this neighbor, 10.1.10.1, I will put the password, and that's all it takes to do on both ends. Password must match though. So I have option either put 0 and clear text password. In fact, I don't have to do that 0 here at all. It's going to be considered a clear text password, or I can put number 7 and paste in the password that is already encrypted, maybe copied from another system. I have no encryption enabled here, so all I have to do is basically ensure that the passwords match on both ends of the BGP connection. So I'm going to copy the password. I'm going to go to Internet 1 here and router 1 here. conf-t router BGP 500. For do show run section router BGP for neighbor 10.1.10.254. Password needs to be the same. So I need to make sure that there's no trailing space, because that will be Cisco 123 space. Make sure there's no trailing space. Enter here and enter there, and that's all there is to do to authenticate BGP packets. From now on, everything is now more secure between those two peers.